In today's fast-paced world, virtual contact centers have revolutionized the customer service industry. With an increasing number of businesses going digital, the demand for remote customer service representatives has surged. This has led to the rise of virtual contact centers that allow businesses to provide customer support from anywhere, at any time. Virtual contact centers are fully equipped with advanced communication tools, such as voice and video chat, and various messaging channels. With Ringflow's innovative technology, companies can connect with their customers seamlessly through phone calls, emails, chats, and more. They also offer multi-channel support, enabling businesses to interact with their customers via phone, email, social media, and chat. Virtual contact centers offer specific benefits to both businesses and customers. Businesses can reduce their operational costs. Remote work also allows businesses to tap into a global pool of talent, thus ensuring 24/7 customer support. For customers, virtual contact centers provide the convenience of accessing customer support from anywhere, at any time. Ringflow, AI Cloud Contact Center.